Okay, so it's unboxing time. I just got some more stuff in for my business and I just cannot wait because I love this part. These are different things that some of the things I needed and some of the things I am going to be selling, and some of them are both. So first I'm going to show you. This is the first thing. This is a box that I am going to use for my threads, because I have one of these in my other sewing room, but here in Florida I don't have enough room for my threads. And so I am so excited because the spools go right on here, and I have one at home, works really nicely. And that way I can carry everything with me everywhere I go. So that's super fun. The other thing I got, this is 108 backing. So for anybody who's doing Quilts of Valor, this is fantastic. I'm going to be selling these in the shows that I have coming up, more of the 108 backings, and I absolutely love this. So it's by Wyndham Fabrics, so that I'm excited about. So this is the fusible tape that is for batting, and I got some more of those in because I ran out, because this is such a great product. So I've got some of those that need to go out today. Also with the general pencils. So these, I absolutely love these for marking. They're not an expensive product, but they are just really, really good. Really good for marking. White. And then this is something new that I wanted to try out by Riley Blake. It is a tumbler, and I always want to see one before I buy more. Oh, look at that. I am so excited. And it's got a nice top for your coffee or whatever. It's got the small bottom so I can put it in my cup holder. I think these are going to be popular, so I am definitely going to be ordering some more of these. Then here's what I'm really excited about. So I had ordered this. This is a panel that has some fabulous Seaside items on it. And in fact, I'll show you here. What do we have on this side? Starfish. Okay, this is a Junonia. Now these, where I'm at in Florida, they find these from time to time, and they're a very sought after shell. And this one, they're not usually blue, but this one's blue, so I absolutely love it. And then we've got more shells, and of course, what do we have? The turtle. Must have the turtle. Okay, so the backing for that, it comes with this line. In fact, this line is Henry Glass. Look at the backing stripes. So I want to use this for the backing, and I want to use it also for the binding, because stripe looks so cool on binding. But then I couldn't get the other light color that goes with this particular line. It's a lighter color, and it has little turtles all like swimming and floating. Could not get that, but what I'm really looking for is I want to use that for different sashings, because I'm going to cut these apart and make them quilt blocks. So I just had to try to match as best I could, and I ordered this. Look how big this roll is. So this is 108, so I'm also going to be, like I said, selling this at shows for the 108 backings. And then look, it's going to go really well, because it's going to pick up these colors that are in it. So this is a little bit more of an aqua blue. It's going to be great because it's going to pick up some of this seaweed colors in these blocks. So that was the big one I couldn't wait for, because to find out if it actually matched. Because when you order online, it is hard to tell if things are matching. This way, I just order it and find out, and if it doesn't match, I sell that and order another one. But it matches, so I can start this project now. I'm super excited.